Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And as you can tell, it's all Superman here on Knoles Cool Stuff. Alright, so I have been collecting some Funko Pops. Now, like I said, I've never been that big of a fan. I like Funko Pops, but I never got around to collecting them. But lately, I've been getting more into it lately. Maybe because of my younger brother who collects a lot of them. And I just like, okay. The only Funko Pop I had before I started collecting the DC Imperial Palace ones was, I think I have a Newt's Commander one. That's the only Funko Pop I have. And so, since I'm in China, I decided to try to get all the Imperial Palace DC Funko Pops, especially the metallic ones that I can get. I'll try to get the common ones, but if I don't, I'm not too worried. I'm more worried about getting the unique ones, like the metallic ones or the Robin Chase and stuff like that. So I will grab the common ones if I can find them and get them right away for a fairly cheap price. But this time, I decided to get all three Superman. All right. So let's take a look at the very first Superman. The very first Superman is the normal one, the normal Superman for the Imperial Palace. All right. So this is actually pretty good. I like it. So let's take a closer look at Superman, the common one. All right, guys. So here is the box for the Superman Imperial Palace. So here's the front, side, back, very much. So they all pretty much look the same. It doesn't matter if it's the metallic one or the common one. They all have the same box. Okay. So now let's take it out. All right, guys. So here is the Superman common one. All right. So here is the outfit. Very nice. All right. Cape. So very, very, very cool. All right. Superman. All right. So this is the Superman common. All right. Hope you like it. All right. So that was the common Superman for the DC Imperial Palace. Now, let's take a look at the Superman Imperial Palace, the metallic one. All right. Now, the metallic one I got from a dealer I deal with here, mostly in China. But I know I even complained to them that this box actually had some damage to it on the sides and stuff. Here, a little here and here. Not major damage, but still a little bit of damage. But they made sure my next order was like double boxed and stuff. So, all right, so let's take a closer look at the metallic Superman. All right, guys. So here is the metallic Superman. As you tell, the hair's not metallic. It's usually just the clothes that is metallic. All right, so it's the blue, the gold, a little bit of the shoe. All right, and there's the back. All right. So that is the Superman. So let's do a comparison between the two. All right, so here is the common and here is the metallic one. All right, that is the difference between them. So it's more shinier on this one. The gold shines a little bit more. See, this is more of a sky blue, while this is a darker blue. Same with the shoe. You can tell the shoe is like a little bit darker, a little bit more crimson color. But not a major difference you compare it to other of the metallic ones. So it's just his suit that's metallic a little bit. See? Yeah, see? It's more blue. All right, so this is the common, this is the metallic Superman. All right, so we've already seen the DC Imperial Palace Superman, the common one. We also seen the metallic one, but we also have the Superman metallic black suit version right here. So let's take a closer look. All right, guys. Our last one is the Superman in the black suit, metallic. So it does do a little shine, as you can see on the camera. A little shiny shine. So this is the black suit metallic Superman. All right. Very cool, right? Now, it's not the most metallic looking one compared to other metallics I've seen, like the Martian Manhunter, but how much metallic can you do with a black gray suit type? All right, so there you go. The metallic black suit Superman. And as we can tell right here, here is all three of them right there. All right, so that is our Superman DC Imperial Palace Funko Pop. Quick look at the common one, the metallic one, and the black suit metallic. Now, there is one more I am looking for. That is the Superman black and white, and also the Wonder Woman black and white. So, this is the video. If you like this video, make sure you hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more related Funko Pop videos or some of my other videos with gadgets, latest phones, earbuds, and so forth, hit that bell for notifications so when I drop new videos. And also, if you really, really, really love this video, hit that subscribe button to be part of Knoles CoolStuff family. Until next time, my followers, as always, be cool.